everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel, and I wanted to make a quick video explaining what my plans are for this channel because it has been 3 years since I've put up any videos at all, so this feels like a fresh start and I want to start things off right. So you may be wondering what this channel is even about, and I like to make things. I grew up as a gamer in an arts and crafts environment, so both of those things have always been really close to my heart. And on this channel, I want to create craft tutorials that always have themes related to video games, anime, TV shows, things of that nature. And for the first time ever, I am committing to consistently making videos for this channel from now on. I've never actually said that on this channel before, and that is because I always knew I wasn't ready to commit to YouTube, but I'm finally ready, and here we are. I will be here from now on. As for how often I'm going to be posting videos, my goal is to put out 2 tutorials per month. But I've been really hesitant about putting that number out there only because I'm not very fast at doing this yet. There's just a whole lot that goes into my videos, and because of that, there is a lot for me to learn, and so it's slowing down my ability to get videos out there at the moment. However, I am super confident that once I get used to using all these new programs and used to this new everything that YouTube is, that I will be able to get at least 2 tutorials out per month, and hopefully even more than that in the future. So for now, I'm just trying to say that I am consistently working on videos for this channel from now on, and that I will be working hard to get videos out as quickly as possible with that 2 per month goal in mind. So with all of that out of the way, I do want to say that I have a few projects in the works at the moment, and my Felt Raymond magnet video will be going up alongside this one, so please check that out if you haven't already. You can also leave comments down below on this video letting me know if you have any requests for themes or crafts or anything really, because I will take anything and everything into consideration, even if I haven't tried it before, because I'm always willing to learn and then show you guys. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, you should hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And that's all I have for this video, so bye! Ugh, my eyes! My eyes, I need to blink. We'll stop here.